Formulating strategy begins with understanding the circumstances, forces, events, and issues that shape the organization's competitive situation. एंड उसके लिए रिक्वायर्ड ये होता है कि मैनेजर्स अपने इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स दोनों का ऑडिट करें, उन दोनों को प्रॉपर्ली एनालाइज करें जो उनके कंपनी की एबिलिटी को इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं इन कंपीटिंग विद अदर्स. SWOT analysis, the acronym SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It includes a careful assessment of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, of course, that affect organizational performance. Managers obtain external information about opportunities and threats from a variety of sources. That includes their customers, government reports, professional journals, suppliers, bankers, friends and other organizations, that's an informal source, consultants or association meetings. And these executives acquire information about internal strengths and weaknesses from, again, a variety of reports, including the company's budgets, financial ratios, profit and loss statements, and surveys of employee attitudes and satisfaction. In addition, managers build an understanding of the company's internal strengths and weaknesses by talking with people at all the levels of the hierarchy in frequent face-to-face discussions and meetings, because it's said कि अगर आपको एक organization या एक company की actual situation मालूम करनी है and you are at the topmost management level, so the best way for doing that would be to approach the lowest level of management या lowest level of employees, क्योंकि वो डेली बेसिस पे डायरेक्टली आपके कस्टमर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर रिसीविंग फर्स्ट हैंड इंफॉर्मेशन, बिकॉज जो इंफॉर्मेशन टॉप मैनेजमेंट तक पहुंचेगी वो तो पास ऑन होगी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट लेवल्स, लेकिन द लोएस्ट लेवल ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज आर हैविंग वेरी डायरेक्ट एंड वेरी फ्रेश पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, तो उनको अप्रोच करना इज द बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी. ओके, गेटिंग टुवर्ड्स आवर टॉपिक बैक. So internal strengths and weaknesses. Strengths क्या होती हैं? They are the positive internal characteristics that the organization can exploit to achieve its strategic performance goals. एक organization के strong points क्या हैं? An example of strength can be a highly creative staff, probably, that consistently produces innovative and powerful products. On the other hand, weaknesses are internal characteristics that might inhibit और restrict या वो रोकते हैं, हिंडर करते हैं organization की performance को. Examples of weakness can be poor management quality in the organization, probably inefficient advertising, employee absenteeism, or even employee turnover, poor quality control, etc. Getting to the external opportunities and threats. Threats are characteristics of the external environment that may prevent the organization from achieving its strategic goals. Threats can come from, for example, decline in demand for a product, criticism from masses, like PUBG was banned for some time due to the allegation that was put on it for violent content. So that was basically a threat for PUBG game. Then other examples of threat can be natural disasters, all right, earthquakes, floods, even the locust attacks that was there, जिसने हमारे मुल्क की काफी शहरों की फसलों को खराब किया. So that was also a threat, basically. Then closure in supply of a raw material, etc. These all are examples of threats that organizations might face. Opportunities, on the other hand, are characteristics of the external environment that have the potential to help the organization achieve or exceed its strategic goals. Opportunities can be in the form of a setback faced by competitors, जैसे आपके किसी competitor की किसी product पे कोई allegations लगाए गए हैं. I mean, in threats, the allegations were on your product, on your company, but opportunity कब होगी? जब वो allegations किसी और के प्रोडक्ट या किसी और की कंपनी पे लगेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, यूजुअली जो एडिबल आइटम्स हैं उन पे एलिगेशंस लगा दी जाती हैं कि इनका जो कंटेंट है, इनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हैं वो हराम है, तो दैट समटाइम्स प्रूव्स बेनिफिशियल इन योर फेवर. सो दैट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट यू कैन बिल्ड अपॉन एंड इंक्रीज योर मार्केट शेयर. Then religious concerns भी एक opportunity हो सकते हैं. For example, the halal nail enamel thing, nail polish. It's understood that women who apply nail colors on their nails, they are unable to perform wudu, and that's why they are unable to perform namaz. They are unable to pray. So there were religious concerns that were highlighted in the wake of this. So the idea of halal nail enamel came along, जिसके ingredients भी completely halal हैं, and another advantage that it brings is कि उसमें उस nail paint में से, उस nail color में से water penetrate हो जाता है. It passes through it, so it does reach your nails from within, and that's how you can easily perform wudu, and you can subsequently perform your prayers as well. Then the scope of technological services like Careem, Uber, Swivel, SWBL, bus service, airlift, ये सब opportunities थी technology side पे जो इन companies ने they took advantage of it. And then there is another company, another brand that I'm hearing of that's coming up by the name of Easy Bikes. And they are basically electric bikes that you can easily rent from the use of an application for your commute, just the way you do for airlift and Careem. But the only difference is कि उसमें कोई rider नहीं होगा आपके पास. You will be the rider yourself. So that was it for the SWOT analysis.